Three fishes. Two fishermen found a reservoir rich in fish one day. They decided to fish there the next day. Annie, Moti, and Yardi, three fish from the reservoir, heard their plans. Annie wanted to leave the reservoir and go towards the river to avoid getting caught. Moti said a lot could happen before tomorrow, and their plans might change. Yardi said if they are to come, they will come, and if they are to be trapped, they will be trapped. Annie decided to leave by himself. The next day, Moti, Yardi, and all the other fishes were caught in the fishing net. Moral of the story: luck is for those who work towards it.